The resurrection teaches us that God will always finish what He started. No matter how dark it looks, no matter how long it's been, no matter how many people are trying to push you down, if you stay in faith, God will always take you from Friday to Sunday. You will see your day of breakthrough because God will complete what He started. If you are going through a dark time today, remember that your day of resurrection, your Sunday, is on the way. Keep believing because soon you will rise up and embrace the victory God has in store for you.